Hey guys, welcome back. I'm ADC Gunner, and today we're gonna have an ADC update. I downstreamed my ADC a little bit. As you can see, I have a I downgraded the wallet to this card holder from Pop of Weather, and I still do have my summer ADC, the Fanny pack. I will toss this in my car if I'm going somewhere longer, and but I'm not EDCing anymore fanny pack because the summer is over. I have pockets now. I have jackets, and my jacket is always very heavy. And when I ask someone grab me my jacket, and they always comment about the weight of the jacket. Anyways, let's start with the downgraded EDC, and we're gonna start from the pen. I use cheapo pen because cheapo pen is where it's at. I'm using it at work, and people do take your pens. I do have some fancier pens. Speaking of work, this is my work beater watch, and this is Citizen Eco. It's not Eco Drive, it's a ProMaster automatic, and it does take a lot of beating every day. Every now and then I will wash the NATO. This is a Vario SG NATO, Staff Sergeant NATO. I keep getting comments about the NATO. People asking me, this is a ballistic nylon NATO with very good hardware and the nylon, and I think it just works perfect for Citizen ProMaster. I brought a nicer, fancier watch when I'm not at work because I'm a watch guy, as you know. I brought my Type 21 Breguet, and I recently purchased this Hirsch strap. It was dear, but I did a video about it actually, so you can check it out. But I think it works. I like changing straps on watches, and I think it matches my wallet perfectly. So yeah, wallet. This is a heavy duty leather wallet. It was made by Pop of Leather, and you can see it has tanned, and it's just beautiful. Ages beautifully. Pop of Leather. I will link you if I find the links. They will be in the description box. If I don't, then you're on your own. This is just a card holder, but it's awesome. I decided to use more cards than cash money here where I'm living now in Slovenia, because they keep giving back me the change, those worthless coins. I cannot even use them to put them in the machine to grab a coffee, and you have like a half a kilo of coins and they are worth like $2, and I hate that. And I started using exclusively cards. I do have some cash, and speaking of cash, I need to bring back my Spyderco Cricket, which I use as a cash holder, as a money clip, and double down as a backup blade as well. Speaking of blades, I have my Spyderco Persistence. This has been my go-to blade ever since I moved to Slovenia. I use it for all sorts of things, from food prep and a job. I do have a utility blade, a job worth. It's Austrian. It's good quality. It's decent. It's nothing bad. It's sharp. And now I'm using this mainly for home and for pockets again. And I put a lot of use on it. I need to strap it a little bit, but absolutely love it. It's a gift, and it has a special meaning to me. Speaking of gifts, I'm getting good at this. Speaking of that, my birthday gift, a Victorinox. I keep forgetting the name of this one. Recruit, I don't know, but it has two blades and has big blade, small blade, a knife opener, and cap lifter, can opener, and that's it. I keep forgetting, but I do have a video about it. And this is my main EDC light. I've been riding this alongside with the keys and many other things in my fanny pack. It's hectic in there, and the coating, the paint has not wore off. You can see here and there, but it has been through a lot of things, and I have some other things that basically got destroyed, and this one has held up pretty nicely. This is Phoenix E12. I'm having some focus issues. Phoenix E12 single AA flashlight, has 3 modes. I have review, highly recommend this one, pocket friendly, very beautiful. And what else? I have keys. These are the keys of my car, my beater car, my Fiat. You saw the videos. And I have also the keys I use for some focus things, some focus issues today. Yeah, these are the keys. And last time I went home, it was actually 2 weeks ago, I found, because I removed all this stuff from the keys, I didn't know if it's legal or illegal in this new country I'm in, but I brought back the Leatherman Bruiser. I absolutely do not use this, but I love having it on my keys. I put on a little Spyderco, what you call this? It's not kiwi, it's Spyderco Grasshopper, I think. Switchblade, super sharp, and I have a backup flashlight, Phoenix EO5, Phoenix EO5, AAA, great. And yeah, rest is the keys and this thing, and where I get my coffee from. This is the coffee thing. You put this in your machine and you get a coffee. So yeah, guys, that's it. That was my EDC. What do I have in my fanny pack, which I do not wear every day. I will occasionally throw it in my car, and when I'm going home across the borders. In this pocket I have nothing. I use it to store keys. I have a face mask because I went to the hospital a couple of days. I have a buddy who's in hospital, and you still cannot use hospitals for that. So here I have my passport, which is kind of where I want it to be. And besides the passport, I was carrying this to my job, so you can see some drill bits. Damn it, with this focus. Some drill bits. I have some paint marker, white one for my job. I have a marker, permanent marker, they say. You can see, basically big ass Sharpie. Some pens. I have here spare keys for the car. I have this here, Spear & Jackson. I got this as a gift, but basically you can buy this on the local petrol pump, gas station, and if you have some discount, if you have some point in the card, you get this for like 10 bucks, 10 euros. It's decent, has a big blade, has a big ass blade, seems sharp so far, has a nice scissors, but I don't think it's worth more than 10 bucks, even though the retail they say is like 30 or something, but with the coupons and stuff. I have a chapstick and rubber band for money, toothpick, candy, yeah, some bits again, and yeah, This is like a voyeur. I have my Weatherman PS4 in here as well. Yeah. And a notebook, because you know I like notebooks, but I have one in my leather jacket which I'm using, and this one is for that. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This has been yet another EDC Gunner EDC update. Yes, I'm an EDC Gunner. Back in the day when I used to watch Cutlery Lover. I still do watch him. Nothing fancy. And all the gang, I fell in love with EDC videos and started making my own. And besides EDC, I do watches. So if you're watch aficionado, watch fan, check out my channel, subscribe, and give me a big old thumbs up.